Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSub. I am Akanksha Anil and today I'm going to show you a wonderful feature on our website called the Want to Buy feature. This is your go-to tool for requesting a specific product that's not available on our website. So let's dive in. Step 1. Click on the Want to Buy button. All you have to do is click on the Want to Buy button. It will pull up a simple request form which has a few details that you need to fill out for your product. Step 2. Receive quotes in email. Once you fill out the Want to Buy request form, all you have to do is wait. We will pull out the best offers and deals and send these quotes directly to your email. So you can compare and choose and find the best fit for your product requirement. Step 3. Check the status of your Want to Buy requests. On your dashboard, there's a specific button to look for all your Want to Buy requests in a single place. Step 4. Easier access to your Want to Buy button. To get easier access to your Want to Buy button, all you have to do is scroll a little lower on the home page until you come across the Want to Buy section. Once you click here, it will lead you directly to the product listing page where the Want to Buy button resides. Click on the button to get your request form. There you have it. Everything you need to know about the Want to Buy feature exclusive to our website. Don't forget to use it and find exactly what you're looking for. Until next time.